Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In one of the English language teaching course books that I've co-authored, Outcomes Intermediate, there's a text about an English soldier, aviator and mystic called Maurice Wilson, who died trying to climb Mount Everest in 1934. He managed to fly single-handedly to India, despite the fact he'd never flown before. And even though he'd never really done any climbing before, he managed to get quite a long way up Mount Everest before he finally died. As we were discussing this text and talking about whether or not we would keep it for the third edition of the book that we're working on at the moment, one of our editors uttered the classic comment that he didn't really sound like he was the full ticket. If you say that someone's not the full ticket, you basically mean that you think they're a little bit touched in the head. They're a little bit mentally unwell. There's a bit missing upstairs. They're not all there. They're one sandwich short of a full picnic. They're a few slices short of the full loaf. They're not the sharpest tool in the box. They're not the brightest bulb on the tree. In case you were wondering, by the way, in the end we decided that we would be keeping that text, which is good because it's a particular favourite of mine and of my co-authors, Andrew. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and maybe in the comment section, give us some examples of how you think you might use not the full ticket.